We change it to 15 needle. Okay, so that's the right condition. All right, we go back to needle 8. So it shows needle number 8 on needle number 8. Okay, and now I manually rotate the color change shaft. Okay, so at this moment when I try to do the color change, it will give the arrow needle position abnormal because it does not show needle number. Just now I manually spin the color change shaft, so this error happens. So now I manually move to needle 8. Now it can move correctly. The error is gone.